Hello, and welcome to miniOrange. How to restrict access to Google Apps and services using miniOrange Casb. So, let's get started. Go to our Casb login page, and log in using your credentials. After logging in, go to Google tab, select the Add App option. Select the Add Authentication Source option from the drop-down menu. Mention an authentication name for the authentication source. Click on Generate Metadata button. After clicking on Generate Metadata, you will get the SP metadata details. Set up your any identity provider. Now, enter SAML login URL, SAML logout URL, which you will find in your identity provider metadata. Enter X509 certificate, which you also find in your IDP metadata. Choose the binding type for SSO request as required. Enter IDP entity ID you will find in your IDP. Click the Save and Next button once you have filled out all the details. Now configuring SAML SSO in Google Admin Console for Casb. Enter following details to configure the Google application. Enter the name of your organization. Enter the domain of your organization on Google. Enter the group attribute key for the SSO app, which you have configured in your IDP, and also enter attribute key name. You get the Google ACS URL and Google Entity URL from the Google Admin panel. Now, log in to your Google Admin dashboard. On the left side, below the menu icon, click on Home. Click on Security. Click on Authentication. Click on SSO with third-party IDP. Click on Add SAML Profile to create new profile. Enter SSO profile name. Enter the IDP entity ID and sign in page URL from IDP metadata, which is in Casb basic settings. Copy and paste it on Google SAML Profile. Download X509 certificate that you have in the IDP metadata. Upload the X509 certificate in Google SAML Profile. Click on Save button. You have successfully created the SAML SSO with third-party IDP. Now on the Google Admin panel, click on the directory, and then click on Organizational Units. On the top right side, click on Create Organizational Unit. Add a name and description to your organizational unit to identify it. Now click on Create button. Your organizational unit is now created. Now go to Security, then under Authentication, select SSO with third-party IDP. Scroll down and click to the Manage button. Select the organizational unit that you created in the previous step. Select another SSO profile and select your SAML SSO profile that you created earlier. At the end, click on Override or Save button to save your SSO profile changes. Now go back to SSO profile screen. Copy entity URL from Google Admin panel. Paste it on basic setting Google Entity URL field. Copy ACS URL from Google Admin panel. Paste it on basic settings Google ACS URL field. Click on Save and Next button to save your changes. Want to configure policies and groups? Check out the next video. Also, you can find in the description below.